Transistors are widely used in electronics. So many configurations are required in the electronics. The first configuration is common base configuration. Common base configuration. This is the symbol of transistor. This is the symbol here, here, here. Okay, this is the symbol of PNP transistor. For example, P to N current direction. That means this is emitter, this is base, this is collector. Okay, this is the diagram. In the electronics, input taken as two terminals, output taken as two terminals. But here how many terminals are there? Three terminals are there. So that's why one terminal is common for both input and output. Generally left side I take input nana. This is input. This is called as output. Here what is the input name nana? Two terminals are required for input and output. Here first terminal is emitter. This terminal is base. Input name is emitter base. Okay. What is the output name nana? What is the output name? Output name is collector base. Output name is collector, comma base. Once again I repeat man. What is the input name? Emitter base. Output name collector base. In the input base is there, output base is there. That means base is common for input and output. So this configuration is called common base configuration. In the configuration, base is common for both input and output. So this configuration is called common base configuration. In this topic, to solve the problems, first I discuss current gain. What is the current gain? Generally, in the common base configuration, current gain denoted by alpha. Generally, gain means output current by. Gain means output current by input current. According to diagram, output is collector, input is emitter. Input is what nana? Emitter. What is the current gain formula in common base configuration? IC by IE. Look the diagram once again here. Input name emitter, output name collector. So that's why current gain means output current by input current. That means IC by IE. IC is called collector current. IE is called emitter current. Some textbooks write in this manner also. Delta IC by delta IE. Simply change in collector current by change in emitter current. Based on data, we use formulas. Change in collector current by change in emitter current. Next, I discuss voltage gain. Voltage gain. Generally, voltage gain anna kuda output voltage by input voltage. ORR. Ohm's law V equal to IR. I means voltage gain right as current gain. Okay. Current gain into resistance gain. Okay. Here, look here. What is the Ohm's law? V equal to IR. Current gain, resistance gain. Okay. Here, current gain denoted by what letter? Alpha into resistance gain right as output resistor, that is called always load resistor, by input resistor RL by R input or R output by R input. This is the formula for voltage gain. again power gain in the electricity power formula is voltage into current. Voltage into current. That means here write voltage gain. Voltage gain means here write alpha into RL by R input, R output by R input into I means current gain. Current gain in the common configuration, common base configuration is alpha. It neatly write as alpha into alpha, alpha square into RL by R input. Okay, this is the okay number. What is the once again? This is the common base configuration. Common base configuration current gain. What is the formula? IC by IE. It is denoted by what letter? Alpha. This is the common base configuration. Common base configuration means collector is output, emitter is input. IC by IE. Voltage gain formula alpha into RL by R input. Power gain formula alpha square into RL by R input. Next, common emitter configuration. Look the subheading Nana. Next configuration is common emitter configuration. Look the diagram Nana. Common emitter configuration. This is very important topic Nana to solve the problems. In the final exam also to give one question according to this model. Common emitter configuration. Look here Nana. Three regions. This is the emitter Nana. First region P. PNP transistor Nana. N. This is called base Nana. This is called collector. Current direction always P to N. Okay. This is the emitter, base, collector. Here this is the input Nana. This is the output Nana. Here tell me what is the input Nana. Input name tell me. Input name is base emitter. Output name tell me Nana. Output name tell me. Output name is collector emitter. CE. Here emitter is common for both input and output. So this configuration is called common emitter configuration. Here emitter is common for both input and output. So this configuration is called common emitter configuration. Here Nana, first I discuss current gain. Okay, current gain. Current gain in the common emitter configuration is beta. Current gain. It is denoted by beta. Generally, what is the definition Nana? Output current by, tell me Nana, input current, output current by input current. Okay. Here what is the output current Nana? Output current here IC. What is the input current Nana? IB. Some textbooks write as delta IC by delta IB. Change in collector current by change in base current. This is the formula for beta Nana. What is the formula for beta? IC by IB. Next I write voltage gain. What is the voltage gain? Voltage gain is nothing but the output voltage by input voltage. What is the voltage gain definition? Output voltage by input voltage. ORR Ohm's law. V equal to IR. That means current gain into resistance gain. What is the current gain Nana? current gain is beta into resistance gain is RL by R output. Okay. What is the voltage gain? Completed nana. Next last one, power gain. What is the power gain nana? Power gain equal to here also V into I, that means voltage gain. This is the voltage gain nana. Beta into RL by R input, R output by R input into current gain in the chapter denoted by beta. Beta into beta square into, tell me, RL by R input. What is the formulas for common emitter configuration? Common emitter configuration, current gain denoted by beta. Formula for beta, IC by IB. Formula for voltage gain, beta into RL by R output. Formula for power gain, beta square into RL by R input. RL by R input. Okay. Next, Nana, I discuss common collector configuration. Next, third configuration is common collector configuration. I already discussed common base configuration. Second one is common emitter configuration. Third one is common collector configuration. This is actually out of the syllabus, Nana, but I discuss common collector configuration. Here, Nana, look here. Collector, emitter, base. Here, first region emitter nana, P, N, P, transistor. This is the direction of current. Here, nana, common collector means collector is common for both input and output. This is input nana. This is output nana. We take the transistor name PNP transistor. Here, what is the input name nana? Input name what? Input name is base collector. Base collector. What is the output name nana? Output name is emitter. Emitter collector. Okay. What is the input name nana here? Base collector. What is the output nana? Emitter collector. That means input and output common is collector nana. Both input and output common is collector. So that's why this configuration is called common collector configuration. Here current gain denoted by gamma. What is the current gain definition? Output current by input current. Here, according to diagram, what is the output nana? Emitter current, IE. What is the input current? IB. That means gamma is denoted by IE by IB. IE by IB. Next nana, directly I write as voltage gain. Voltage gain means Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Current gain into resistance gain. Current gain gamma. Resistance gain means output resistance by input resistance. This is output resistor, right, as load resistor. Next nana, power gain. Power means voltage gain into current gain. Neatly write as gamma square into RL by R input. These three formulas are applicable for common collector configuration. These formulas are out of syllabus. Okay. Next, Next, relation between alpha comma beta. Very important, look here. Relation between alpha comma beta. Okay? Relation between alpha comma beta. What is the relation between alpha beta? To check them. What is the alpha? Alpha meaning is common base, IC by IE. What is the beta, Nana? What is the beta formula? IC by IB. IC by IB. These formulas already just previous concept I discussed. What is the formula for alpha? IC by IB. What is the formula for beta? IC by IB. What is the basic equation of the transistor? IE equal to IB plus IC. Okay? What is the basic equation of the transistor? IE equal to IB plus IC. Okay? For example, I divide here both side IC, Nana. Both side IC. Here IE by IC. Here divide IC. Here divide IC. Okay? Both side I divide IC. But according to this value, IE by IC, it will be IC by IE alpha. IE by IC value 1 by alpha equal to IC by IB beta. IB by IC value reciprocal 1 by beta. IC by IC value 1. Okay? Here this is the relation between alpha and beta. What is the relation between alpha and beta? 1 by alpha equal to 1 by beta plus 1. Very important in this chapter. What is the relation between alpha and beta? 1 by alpha equal to 1 by beta plus 1. It write as 1 by alpha equal to 1 by beta. Here LCM write as 1 plus beta by beta. Simply, what is the alpha value? Beta by 1 plus beta. For example, beta is given to determine alpha by using this formula. Beta is given to determine alpha. What is the formula for alpha? Alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Okay? Important equation 2. This is equation number 1. Here what is the equation 1? 1 by alpha equal to 1 by beta plus 1. Plus 1 other side minus 1 here look here 1 by alpha minus 1 equal to 1 by beta. Neatly write as 1 minus alpha by alpha equal to 1 by beta. Neatly write as reciprocal beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. These three equations to remember to solve the problems. What is the basic relation of alpha and beta? 1 by alpha equal to 1 by beta plus 1. Or what is the alpha formula? Beta by 1 plus beta. What is the formula for beta? Alpha by 1 minus alpha. Okay? Based on data to use three formulas. Okay? Next I discuss relation between gamma and beta. What is the formula for gamma, Nana? Gamma formula is IE by gamma means common collector. IE by IB. This is the formula for gamma, Nana. Alpha means common base. Common base means IC by IE. IC by IE. Common emitter and IC by IB. Common collector and IE by IB. Okay? This is the basic equation. What is the basic equation? IE equal equal to IB plus IC. Here, look here now. I divide. It will be right as divide both sides. IE by IB. ఇందాకేమో IC by divide చేశాం. Here IB, here IC by IB. Okay? IE by IB right as what? Gamma equal to IB by IB 1 plus IC by IB right as what nana? Beta. What is the relation between gamma and beta nana? Gamma equal to 1 plus beta according to equation 3. What is the beta value? Alpha by 1 minus alpha. This is the beta, another formula nana. Gamma in terms of alpha here nana. Gamma in terms of beta here nana. What is the gamma formula? 1 plus beta. What is the another formula for gamma in terms of alpha? Gamma equal to 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha. Gamma equal to 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha. Alpha by 1 minus alpha. Okay? Next nana, I discuss another more topic nana. What is the gamma formula once again? 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha. Nana ఇందాక కామన్ బేస్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ అంటే ఆల్ఫా కదా, కామన్ బేస్ కాబట్టి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? ఆల్ఫా ఏంటి? IC by IE. బీటా ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి అన్న. బీటా ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? IC by IB. గామా ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి అన్న. గామా ఫార్ములా కామన్ కలెక్టర్ ఫార్ములా IE by IB. Okay, these three formulas now. Here generally emitter అంటే 100%, ఇదేమో గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 95%. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 96 అనుకుందాం. 96 by 100 రైట్ యాజ్ ఎంత? 0.96. దట్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ ఆల్వేస్ లెస్ దాన్ 1. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద బీటా వాల్యూ? బీటా వాల్యూ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ IB బేస్ లెస్ దాన్ 5%. లెస్ దాన్ 5% మీన్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక 2% తీసుకున్నాం. IC వాల్యూ ఆటోమేటిక్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 98. 98 ప్లస్ 2 ఎంత? 100 కదా. 98 అంటే బీటా వాల్యూ కంపల్సరీ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1. ఓకే, ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ లెస్ దాన్ 1, బీటా వాల్యూ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1. గామా అంటే వీ నో దట్ 1 ప్లస్ బీటా కదా, అంటే బీటా కన్నా 1 ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 20 అనుకో, ఇది 21 అవుతుంది. ఇది 40 అనుకో, 41 అవుతుంది. అంటే గామా వాల్యూ ఆల్సో greater than 1. Okay, that means according to these relations, alpha value always less than 1, beta value always greater than 1, gamma value also greater than 1. Okay, actually you wanna perfectly to prepare these formulas and solve all transistor problems. Okay, very easiest concept nana. First to write the diagrams and to practice on the notes more and more, will get to solve all the problems on the transistor very easily. Very easiest topic, 3 configuration: common base, common emitter, common collector, alpha, beta, gamma. What is the relation between alpha and beta? 1 by alpha equal to 1 by beta plus 1. Or beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Or alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Okay, and again gamma and beta relation is gamma equal to 1 plus beta. To read all the formulas, to read perfectly today class, automatically to get to solve all the problems in the transistor. Okay, next one.